So I recently got a query from one of our participants that she is not able to process this vector data. Okay, and whenever she use any sort of geoprocessing tools or any sort of vector processing tools, she is getting one error. Okay, so let's see what that error is. Okay, I'm just going to use this dissolve so that I can show what error she is facing. Okay, so let's keep it temporary here and run the file. You see this feature 4 of lake, this particular layer has invalid geometry. Okay, so let's fix this geometry and let's see how this geometry can be fixed. You go to processing, click on toolbox and here type check validity. Okay, go double click on it and select the layer, keep everything as default. Let's get our valid output, invalid output and error output. Okay, and if you want to read more about it, just go in this particular section, click on run, close it, and you see whichever layer or whichever feature was invalid for this particular geometry got highlighted with this invalid output layer. Okay, so other which are in this color, they all are valid. So let's switch this off. We don't have to do anything with this. Okay, and let's find out where. So this shows, this color shows that all these three geometries here, all these features that the person digitized has some invalid geometry. Okay, and let's close these three as well, and it again shows you the point where it became invalid. Okay, so let's open its attribute table. You see the problem here is of the self intersection. Okay, and let's see what the problem is. If I zoom in, you see there is some gap and must be there is some tangle here in between. Okay, so let's correct this geometry by toggle editing our original layer. Okay, because this output gives you the location where it is invalid. Okay, and let's get its all the vertices. You see there is the person has not digitized this particular feature correctly. You see the tangles here. Okay, let's try to untangle it this way. Okay, and letters. So this might happen during digitization. When you are new in digitization, you may have started with your things from here, digitizing, you know, this particular layer from here, and sometimes when digitizing a bigger feature, your mouse moves here and there, and sometimes, you know, at that time you didn't notice, but your one vertex was placed at this point, or let's say some other point. Okay, and then without noticing that, you again started completing the feature. So this, that's why it gave you this line in between. Okay, which shows that this particular is single. It is a single feature, but it has this boundary in between it. So this clearly tells you that this is your invalid geometry. Okay, so make sure you don't make such errors again. Okay, and I'll suggest in to redigitize this feature again. Okay, but sometimes what happens when such geometries occur, there is only one point, there is only a single point which you can delete. Okay, which you can delete. If you will come here and zoom in, you will see that there is so, you know, some overlaps. Okay, some overlaps is here. So let's see how this error looks like. I'm going to use a vertex tool here. You see this particular section has come here, and here you have uh, another boundary. Okay, boundary sort of thing. If I move it here, then you can see I have created a gap. Okay, so these sort of things are invalid geometries. Don't make such errors while digitizing. So what you can do, you can try untangling it. Okay, if untangling helps you, then it's good. Otherwise you have to delete this entire feature and redigitize it again. Okay, so if you want to delete all these vertexes, so what you can do, you click on the vertex. Okay, you can also, yeah, definitely you can move it, but if you want to delete it, just use the left click of your mouse. Okay, and press delete button of your mouse. Okay, and it will move in a way in which it will delete your vertex. Okay, so you see, this way you can untangle it. If you want to delete the entire feature, make sure it is highlighted and click on this delete selected button and redigitize this thing. You see, there were so many points in which there was overlap. Okay, and we again had to shift it, and maybe it won't help you in getting your valid geometry. Okay, so the best thing here you can do to redigitize this entire lake. Okay, and maybe you see here you just have a tangle. Okay, so here you can just move your vertices. Okay, and your you know uh, your geometry will become valid. Okay, so there was just the tanglement. Okay, you don't have to delete this particular feature. And let's see what is the problem with the with another one. Again, I think there is overlap, and there was the same problem which you had with the first one. Okay, so let's start deleting our vertex. You see, when we are deleting the vertex, see, this entire feature is deleting. Okay, so maybe because this lake was in two parts, maybe the person overlapped it and didn't make it in the second part. Okay, so please make sure you don't make such mistakes again. Okay, and this video is for everyone. uh, this may happen with you in your future work as well. Okay, but this is a nice example in the way you can solve your invalid geometries in QGIS. Okay, so I hope this was clear.